Concrete Wells Channels Generator for ZW3D CAD/CAM. The 3D Master Company has created a Concrete Wells Channels Generator based on ZW3D in the minimum 3x machining version or with 5-axis add-on. The generator is currently available in 2 languages, Polish and English, but its design allows for quick adaptation to customer needs. All CAD and CM commands are executed in the background, leaving the user free to focus on configuring the order. Everything is handled automatically in the background. Order data is entered manually, but it can be expanded to include data exchange with other external systems. Based on the order number and well number, a barcode or QR code is generated, which later appears in reports or labels. Depending on the order, we add a lander and choose one of the standard well diameters. The next tab allows you to define the main channel, inlet and outlet size, and the main channel angle, calculates the minimum size of the stock, and allows you to add right and left inlets. We can also control the amount of inclination. The next 2 tabs set individual inlet parameters, where, for example, height can be calculated based on the declared diameter. The highlighted fields are consistent with the selections in the main chamber, but can be expanded at any time during definition. The model building process ends with a mandatory rebuild of the model in the background. At this point, the order definition ends. Based on the built model, the user can generate reports and labels that are personalized for each company and interactively filled with settings entered in the application. Reports include a barcode, negative preview, and detailed order data. According to the order and the entered settings, CM toolpaths and ReadyNC code are generated in the background to be sent to the machine tool. Once the order is completed, you can immediately move on to the next one. This time, for example, it will be a straight base with a lander. A QR code will appear in reports, and the processing will be expanded to include detail cutting and drilling for tight passages. The well will have 2 right inlets and 2 left inlets. Everything will be visible in the preview and reports and reflected in the NC code. We individually adapt the post-processor to a given machine so that none of the stages require manual intervention and corrections.